composition scheme under GST. Introduction and rates. Introduction. As per the composition scheme, alternative methods of levy for small taxpayer. The taxpayer whose turnover up to 150 lakhs and 75 lakhs for a special category states with registering business and having a PAN comes into the consideration. And the next topic is rates. Manufacturers and any other suppliers eligible for composition levy. Section 10, 0.5% on taxable persons turnover. And the next is restaurant and registered persons eligible to pay tax under section 10, subsection 2 by A, 2.5% on aggregates turnover. Supply of service. This scheme is not available to supplier of services. As per the section 10, subsection 1 of CGST Amendment Act 2018, with effective from 1st February 2019, supply services of value not exceeding 10% of turnover in states in the preceding financial year or 5 lakhs rupees, whichever is higher. Subsection 2A has been inserted in Section 10 of the CGST Act, Alternative Composition Scheme for suppliers of services or mixed supplier not eligible for composition scheme, having an aggregate turnover in preceding financial year up to Rs 50 lakhs. With effective from 1st April 2019 for small service providers, those who are supplier of goods and services exceeding 10% of turnover within states or union territories, whose aggregate turnover during previous financial year did not exceed Rs 50 lakhs. Who are not eligible and what are the terms and conditions are applied. Eligibility. According to notification number 4 by 2022, central tax dated 31st March 2022, the eligibility are the supply of goods or services. Provision to section 10 subsection 1, supply of services other than restaurant. Supply of interstate outward supplies. Manufacture of ice cream, pan masala, tobacco, aerated water. Manufacturing of which is not eligible under composition. Person supplying goods or services through an e-commerce operator who is required to collect tax at source under section 52. And the conditions are applied according to section 10, neither a casual taxable nor a non-residential taxable person. Stock not purchased by unregistered supplier and pay tax under reverse charge mechanism RCM. Pay tax under section 9 subsection 3 or section 9 subsection 4 on inward supply of goods or services or both. Composition taxable person not eligible to collect tax on supplies should mention in top of the bill of supply issued by him. He shall mention the words composition taxable person on prominent place at his principal place of business and at every additional place of business. Next, the procedure for opting composition scheme. There are three categories. First is the category of person in which new registration under GST and the registration person opting for composition levy. How to exercise option? For the new registration, intimation in the registration form, and for the registered person, intimation in the prescribed form. Effective dates of composition levy. For the registered person, from the effective date of registration, and for the registered person, beginning of the financial year. The process is service to registration to application to opt for composition levy. Then we have to file in GST CMP2 through the TSV or EVC. Thank you.
బయట నాకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది ఈ నీళ్ళు వచ్చినాయి అక్కడ ఆ పైన వేసుకో లేకపోతే బంద్ చేస్తాను